This is Dr. R. Ublapanda Reddy, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Dundigal, Hyderabad. In today's session, we will see file and directory maintenance functions in our Linux operating system. File and directory maintenance functions. What are the supporting to maintain a file and directories in our Linux operating system? Linux or Unix operating system. First one is a supporting function as chmod. It's a file and directory maintenance function. See first one, chmod and fchmod functions. So these two functions allow us to change the file access permission for an existing file. Now these two functions allow us to change the file permissions for an existing file. Now I want to change the file permissions on existing file. Then I want to choose chmod or fchmod. Now how to define? What is the syntax of this one? Now the syntax of this one, chmod, we have path name of our file, mode. Now write mode underscore t. So it's a mode. Which mode you have open a file. And then which is defined under the micros as sys and start.h. So it's a micros under defined that sys start.header file. Now fchmod is a file descriptor and mode. If it is successfully have changed the file permissions on our existing file, then it returns to 0. 0 is nothing but everything is working. Now nothing but our successfully change the file, existing file permissions. Now in case if you have a -1, that is written as error. So this is change. These two functions allow us to change the file access permissions for an existing files. So here the mode contains for chmod functions from sys and start.h. These are the different modes. IR user, user read, user write, user execute, and other read write. Other user read write execute. Last one, U means user read write execute. These are the different chmod constraints, mode constraints. Like we have selecting only read mode, s underscore IRUSR. User can only changes, only we have user will read or write. So write in sense IWUSR, user can write that. So these are the chmod functions. Now next one, in a file shown chon, fchon and lchon functions. Shown functions, chon functions allow us to change the user ID of a file and group ID of a file. Now I want to change user ID or a group ID of a file. Now use chon, chon or fchon or lchon. These three supported for changing user ID or group ID of a functions. Now the syntax. Now see the syntax of this function. See the path name. Second one owner, and then third one group. Which I have in group permission. I want to change group ID. Then path name, owner, who is the owner of that. Then given the group. FCN, like it's also use the syntax of this file descriptor. Now use file descriptor, and then owner and group. Last one L1, path name, owner and group. So these are syntaxes we have discussed under that chon, fchon, lchon. So here I want to change user ID or group ID of a file. Then we choose this function chon, fchon and lchon, chon. Now unlink is one of the function, one of the command. It's in the main purpose of this thing is remove an existing directory entry. Now I want to remove an existing directory entry. We call the unlink function to remove an existing directory entry. So I want to remove an existing directory entry. Already we have a directory. Now I want to remove that directory link. Then we call the unlink. Just how to write this one. So the syntax of this one, unlink, character and path name. So given simply constant character is a path name defined as data type as character. Now given the path name, just simply unlink. Unlink means that path having a directory. The directory should have to remove the link. Remove an existing directory entry. The entry should have deleted here. Now 0 successfully deleted that remove or deleted that a specific entry. Minus 1 is an error. So minus 1 which is an error. So the function remove the directory entry and decrement the link count of the file referred by path. So it is once remove the link automatically it should be decrement the link count on a table which have maintain a like a directory entries in that directory entry which have removed and decrement one link. So is a use the function unlink. If I want to remove an existing directory entry, we go for unlink. Just simply the syntax of this one, just write unlink constant character of path name. So remove that link. Unlink means you have to remove that link. Once you have removed that, whenever you have entry point also decreases entry point. Now for example 10 directories. Now once remove one link and from 10 we have removed one link. So which have contain only 9 links, 9 directory links. Link. So it's the reverse of that previous command. It's in link. We can create a link to an existing file with the link function. Now I want to create a link existing file is with the link function. So how to write the syntax of this? See, existing path. What is the existing path of a link and new path? What is the present? We have to create a link. Existing path and new path. We have to create a link to link file is with the link function. It's a create a link to the one file to the existing file to the link function. Now, which is macros which is defined under that UNISTD function. Macros which is defined in UNISTD.h. And successfully we have to create a link that is written as a 0, otherwise which is written to -1 as an error. Is a creating link to an existing file with the link function. Symbolic link. Symbolic link is created with this function, symbolic function, sym link function, like symbolic link. Previously created a link which is symbolic link, which is specific symbols, like symbolic link. So and so link we have, it's a ampersand, like we are creating some specific symbolic link. Then we use sym link. How to create this? What is the syntax of this? Observe here. So actual path of a sim link, and then sim path. What is the path and what is the actual path? We have created with a symbolic link of each and every path. Now if it is successfully created, 0. Otherwise, which is a returns to an -1 which has an error. So symbolic links, I want to create a link to the file functions. For that process we have to assign some symbolic like it's given some specific link name like symbol the rate 01, like we have assigned some symbolic name, link, then we use sym link. It's successfully created, it's an 0, otherwise -1. So which have in our syntax, which have to maintain in actual path, constant character actual path and constant character symbolic path. Now created a symbolic path to, I want to create a symbolic path, then we use this symbolic link command. Now make directory and remove directory. So simple thing, these are all the simple commands. I want to create a new directory. Directories are created with the make directory function. I want to delete it with the directory and move to rm directory, rmdir. It's a command. I want to remove the directory, then use the rmdir function. So which is defined under the macros as include sys /stat.header file, and then the path name we given simply path name and mode, which mode we have the file created, like make directory. I want to create a directory, just simply given a path name, and then which mode we want to create a new directory. If successfully created, then 0 is written, otherwise it has to return as a -1. And the remove directory, which has to remove directory, deleted as a file. An empty directory is the one that contains entries only for ... So empty directories. you have an empty directory, remove that dot dot. Then use here remove directory, the syntax of this one rmdir, and then with corresponding path. Successfully, if you have removed the directory, it returns to 0, otherwise as a -1 as an indication to error. Error instance, the file may not be available in the directory which is written to, like which is the file, the directory may not be available. So that time it may return error. Or sometimes if you have successfully deleted that, then it returns to 0. ch directory and fch directory. Now is the we can change the current working directory of the calling process by calling the ch directory and fch directory function. We change the current working directory. Now I want to change a different directories, like present working directory to different directory. We use chdir and fchdir. So under this, the macros are defined under unistd directory, and then make the ch directory change directory as with a path name, change path name, constant character with a path name, is then change directory, fch directory, file change directory, and if we use fch directory, we use the file descriptor where we have open a file. The file descriptor has to be pointed a specific file. So in that file, we have to change from present directory to present file to other file. Then file descriptor, here fch directory use the file descriptor. Now ch directory use the path name. So successfully, if you have changed the directories, then change the current working directory, then it's a 0. It returns to 0. Otherwise, -1 is the error. So is the functions which use in commands which are used to change directory. We can change the current working directory of the calling process. So we want to change current working directory. Now we use this function ch directory or fch directory, but both have a different syntaxes. Now ch directory with a path name is sufficient to given that, but here fch directory we have given as a file descriptor as a field. Now if successfully, then 0, otherwise then written as -1. Now directory handling system calls. Which are the system calls to handling the directories? Now open directory is one of the system call. I want to open a directory, then use dir star open dir, and then with corresponding path name. Returns pointers if you okay, then pointers returns 0, it's okay, otherwise null as an error. So directory, you open a directory, if you have a directory is existed, now we want to open that file, otherwise it's written as a null as an error. Second one takes read directory. I want to read one directory, then use struct dirent read directory and dp name. Is successful, then written as pointer has to be written as a 0, null at the end of the directory or error. So it returns to as an dp directory pointer which has not to maintain. Now I want to open a specific directory. It try to open a specific directory, but it does not have, or it does not to having a read permissions. So like it's returns as an error. Close directory. Similarly, now I want to close a specific directory or rewind directory or tail directory and seek directory. Tail directory means what directory we have now, and the seek directory. So at the directory where you are there, we have a 10 files. Under that directory which you have a 10 files where you are now. So seek directory that has to specify where you are now. Now close directory. So close directory since once we have opened a specific directory, I want to close. Now use close directory function and directory pointer. Returns 0 if written successful, otherwise it has written as -1. Now rewind directory. So rewind. I want to rewind that a specific directory, dir dp, the directory pointer. Now which use the this is the syntax of rewind directory. Now call tail directory. So where you are there, in directory where you are now. So use directory pointer, that is tail. Tail means what directory you have now, and seek directory. So now is the use directory pointer and the location where you have presently exist, where you are there. So that is a location. Location it's returns. So current location here returns current location in directory associated with dp in seek directory. Searching of directory where you are available, where you are there. So then simply it returns to current location in directory associated with directory point. Thank you.
Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.